Hello, my name is Adriana and today we'll be talking about the hydrosphere and the atmosphere. These different spheres have something called ecosystem. An ecosystem is when different organisms interact together and form a system. Humans have changed several ecosystems for better and for worse. Today we will be talking about how ecosystems are being affected by humans. Hydrosphere. The Earth is made of 71%, while only 3% of water is fresh. Some water resides in oceans. That is why there is only 3% fresh water on the surface. Most of the fresh water is frozen and unattainable. The water exchanges the carbon, and also from the phytoplankton sinking sediment is made, and the rock formation happens. Nitrogen is also connected to the sphere. Since the nitrogen cycle, the runoff from nitrates in forming enters the water, and also the air is 70% of nitrogen. Thank goodness there is less to worry with getting air. Let's talk about the atmosphere. Atmosphere. The atmosphere. Windows to the universe of nitrogen, 78%, oxygen, 21%, and other gases, 1%. High above the planet, the atmosphere becomes thinner until it gradually reaches space. It is divided into 5 layers. Most of the weather and clouds are found in the first layer. Carbon is connected with the hydrosphere system because of the carbon cycle. In the atmosphere, carbon is evolved because the humans produce it with each exhale. Each and every breath we take, we produce CO2. The CO2 goes to the plants. The plants then produce oxygen. They call this process photosynthesis. The first because the nitrogen compounds break down into gas and it gets in the atmosphere.
The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has released a time-lapse video showing the relative age of Arctic ice week by week from January 1990 until September 2015, based on data provided by Mark Schutte from the University of Colorado Boulder. Seasonal ice appears darkest blue, while older ice, over 9 years old, appears white. Once the video ends, it's clear the older ice is running considerably.
This makes a greenhouse effect. Everyone knows how the greenhouse effect works. It makes things inside get really warm. Because of the greenhouse gases, the ice caps are melting. But we can fix it if we stop burning fossil fuels and find alternative modes of transportation. We can cut back on how many greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere. There is too much CO2 in the atmosphere. Like Sandra mentioned earlier, plants make oxygen. We need more oxygen, and the more plants we have, the more oxygen we have. If we have more oxygen, it could be a big depletion in how much CO2 is in our air. The atmosphere affects the hydrosphere way more than we. Well, like it was said earlier, if there are more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, it causes the ice caps to melt. The hydrosphere can affect the atmosphere because of water in plants. The plants affect how much oxygen is in the atmosphere. Neat. Well, I hope you have learned a little bit more about the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. We hope you enjoyed.